forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 2. I'm joined by Brother Mutia.
Steve, how
I'm good, my brother.
We were at Orlando.
Yes.
90 minutes.
Yes.
Extra time.
Yes.
And then we stole it in the last minutes.
Yes, Mr.
At Touchville.
Yeah.
Lucas Muripe.
Yeah.
90 minutes, 2-2.
Yes.
Extra time.
Yes.
Sundowns, they stole it in the last minutes. Same as Orlando.
Yes.
So the difference is the supporters.
Yes.
Orlando Arena.
Yes.
Full capacity.
Packed.
Sundown here, first game.
Yeah.
Supporters of Sundown.
Empty.
Please, guys, support your team.
Yeah.
At the moment, they've got 2 stars.
Hey.
Show that this team is working so hard.
Yeah.
And you guys, you must support this team.
Yeah,
you must really be that team.
Yes. Yes.
To get a star, it's not pop and fleece.
It's tough.
You have to work very, very hard. But now, because you don't want to support your team here at Letlhaku, that star that we got, because Latomoka will borrow. that star must go to Orlando Arena.
In this season.
Then you will see, if let's say get the second star, that Orlando Arena is going to be extended because we can't fit all the supporters there.
Exactly.
Because we love our team.
Yes.
Sundowns supporters love your team.
Yeah.
Please, this is the first game.
Yeah.
You come here and no man, no. Sundowns is a big team.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yes, true.
No, before I get crashing.
Why urato hetana?
Before you crash. So okay, he will come in.
Yeah.
Because he's going to share that Orlando is Orlando, and then if Sundowns play at Mamelodi. So what we need, Mutagatagi, he said, if Sundowns they fix that stadium for Mamelodi, HM Pitch, then it will be packed. So I was with the chairman of Sundowns here. Please, Mutagatak, make sure that you go to Masipala, you've got money. Fix that stadium for HM Pitch. So we want to compete with this big giant. Because he's got 2 stars, I've got 1 star. I'm only Mangmo. Understand? I'm only Mangmo.
Chiefs.
Star. Nowhere to be found. So they're the champion. Second champion. They're leading. Me now, I'm going to fight until the end. We need the second star. Next Stibo. So let's go to the game, Stibo. Stibo. Polokwane City today. They came here and they never respect Sundowns.
They
score first. Stibo. That's Polokwane City team. It's a new team. Remember Coach Mirai? They left. Then everyone and some players they left. So but they came here, they never respect Sundowns. They play until the end. Lack of experience is cost them the game the last minute. This game is supposed to be decided on the penalties. True. Stibo. And the lastly Stibo, because I don't want to take long. Stibo. Murimi is gone. Mufukeng is gone to Europe. Mbokas is gone to Europe. Nkota is gone to Europe. Letlhaku. He play with Muremi, with Mufukeng. Please, Mamelodi Sundowns, let the ball go to Europe.
They want him.
Stibo, Sundowns, they reject 30 million plus for that boy. That boy is not playing. Give me a chance to go because they've got a lot of talent. But my banner, what's my banner? What's Chaveleng? Cash now is coming back. He played today. But if someone, that European team, they need our players, let them go and expose themselves there outside.
Why are they keeping him?
Why are they keeping him? And it's not playing Letlhaku. Stibo, 30 million plus. How much they get Letlhaku? Because they got it from development. So let him go and expose. If let's say he doesn't succeed, he will come back. He must change his life before.
We don't believe in
you. Because do the same. Do the same. Because you're calling Bosales outside, Leon, whoever, to come here. So also, as even the Dele, Ayodjala Ngaphandle. And then Mafana also will be strong. Because if you're keeping him on the stand, I was sitting on the stand there. I was going to play with Fana. We need Demon of Fana. Check Mufukeng now. He's gone. They play together. They're the friends.
He's sitting, Josa.
He's sitting on the stand there.
They don't need him.
Let him go. Why are you blocking him? The boy is still young. If the money is not enough,
it's not enough.
30 plus 30 meters.
It's not enough.
How much is enough?
It's not enough.
How much is enough?
Play again.
How much is enough?
Let's say 75 plus.
For play?
Yeah, for
Stibo. Well, Stibo. Well, what did they? Stibo, what did they find him? Because they found him down. So 30 plus is too much. The boy, he need to enjoy his football. You see, Stibo, I understand he's got a contract with Sundowns, but please allow the boy to go outside because the boy is not happy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Stibo. See you tomorrow at the Chiefs.